The rapid trade world is braced with discipline. The mystified business world is explored with dedication. And goals are scored or defended with determination. One visionary man who served the Indian Army for 28 years, where faith and trust are nurtured meticulously with discipline, dedication and determination, pioneered the need of thinking beyond borders. He was the first Indian in the history of India to be conferred the honorary rank of Colonel after retirement. The extraordinary and motivated ex-armyman understood the value of innovation. He penned 5 books on management, acquired 3 postgraduate degrees with flying colors, constantly strived to combine strong army discipline with real-world applications and created dream institutions. The prestigious and dream-fulfilling institutions of Sri Balaji Society, educating the best and the most talented students from the country, aspiring them to be the business leaders of the world, providing a well-trained workforce in a demanding globalized business environment, leading to great corporate careers. Sri Balaji Society Pune, Society for Opportunities.
We believe in results. How to stand up to the expectation of industry, parents and students. We keep on researching to find the right answers for all these questions. For this, we have a powerful advisory council, academic council and a high-power committee which keep on debating, discussing and finding solutions.
Balaji Society offers the right experience, right professional outlook, the multicultural environment which is essential for the international career in this competitive global economy.
As educators, the biggest goal in front of us is to teach our students to be self-reflective, to be able to judge themselves, to make them aware what is the challenges are and what are their shortcomings, and that's exactly what we are trying to teach our students in Sri Balaji Society.
2 state-of-the-art auditoriums with dedicated multimedia support. Along with this, Sri Balaji Society's 16.5 acres campus at Pune is proud witness to the institution's spirit of progress and determination. We are also proud to state that Sri Balaji Society is known not only for the best infrastructure but also for the best faculties. A conducive environment is provided to students and is well supported by excellent full-time and visiting faculties covering full courses, enabling students to dream and work hard to achieve their goals.
Sri Balaji Society is offering the most comprehensive and competitive course input to all the students, which will be well suited to the industry.
We believe that the theoretical training needs to be strengthened with sufficient inputs of practical knowledge. This should come from the veterans of the industry. In order to secure the same, we organize a lot of seminars, workshops and guest lectures throughout the year. The industry has been more than forthcoming to help us out, and corporate stalwarts visit us for periodic interactions with our students. This great learning opportunity has immensely helped our students to stand out and to emerge as the most industry-fit managers.
We also treat the time as our most precious resource. We don't have any holiday system. We impart training all the 7 days in a week. All these things we do keeping in view of the holistic development of the students.
Discipline is nothing but the code of conduct. Only aim behind this strict discipline is to produce for the corporate world the right person for the right job at the right time.
With innovative training practices and world-class infrastructure, coupled with academic rigor, we have companies visit us year on year to recruit our students. Reputed Indian companies and MNCs representing all sectors, BSFI, manufacturing, automobile, FMCG, IT, ITES, emerging sunshine sectors represented with waste energy management companies visit and participate in our campus placement programs at all the institutes of Sri Balaji Society. Few of them giving international postings in Singapore and the Middle East, including Dubai.
Myself Simranjeet Singh. I am part of BIMM PMN HRD 2010-12 batch. I am working with Aditya Birla Group, Grasim Industries, and I have been placed in Thailand.
Every individual in Balaji Society gets a chance to start a successful career.
Sri Balaji Society provides its students the tools and opportunity to develop the personality, employability, and also equip them with the cutting-edge technologies and skills to match the needs of the industry.
Sri Balaji Society ensures industry interaction, practical experience, and projects which prepare students for jobs and entrepreneurship.
Sri Balaji Society graduates always showcase a high level of preparedness.
Balaji Institute of Modern Management, or BIMM, was the first institute established under the aegis of Sri Balaji Society.
BIMM offers a 2-year full-time job-oriented postgraduate diploma in management approved by the AICTE and the Ministry of HRD, Government of India. BIMM today stands tall amongst the best B schools in the country. This is proved by the fact that a large number of companies from all over India are recruiting our students, and many more of them have provided project studies.
Yes, we have the best brains from all over India, specializing in different streams of management. And we are determined to do everything possible for the success of our student managers.
Balaji Institute of Telecom and Management is a technology-driven business school, got established in the year 2002 after visualizing the exponential growth and potential of this lucrative telecom industry.
Today, BITM is recognized as the best emerging telecom B school in Southeast Asia, and our endeavor is to make it a world-class telecom business school. BITM's unique program, PGDM Telecom, admits only engineering graduates. However, bright students from other streams of graduation are also admitted for marketing and finance specializations.
BITM is the one-stop shop to meet all the managerial requirements of telecom industry.
Different teaching styles and methods at the institutes of Sri Balaji Society aim at the holistic development of the students and also strengthens their cross-cultural skills.
BIIB, an A++ grade business school, is one of the fastest growing international business schools in India, enjoying a very good placement record consistently over the years. The institute has been admired by management aspirants and the industry alike. BIIB offers in-depth exposure to those who are specializing in international business as core specialization.
Our grooming, our inputs, our dedicated mentoring have provided career to thousands of students across the globe.
Combination of theory and practicals encourage the student should have a creative and problem-solving approach.
Balaji Institute of Management and Human Resource Development, BIM HRD has emerged as one of the best B schools in the country within a short period of time. We offer 3 2-year full-time PGDM programs. Our schedules at BIM HRD strike a perfect balance between academic inputs and practical workshops to ensure success in all aspects of business.
Balaji Law College started in the year 2003 and we completed 10 years. We got both 3-year and 5-year courses. In the last year, we got 100% pass in both these courses.
Balaji Law College is a symbol of discipline, dedication and determination, successfully producing quality advocates for our country. The state-level moot court competition, along with visits to the Supreme Court, prisons and legal aid camps are our regular features. Students are also privileged with interaction with high-profile dignitaries. BLC is well equipped with a library, providing online journals and unlimited internet access.
Fostering professional development is our fate and our trust lies in offering experience.
Sri Balaji Society, Society for Opportunities.
Problems are opportunities. There are a lot of opportunities. To grab this opportunity, you have to be selfish. You have to educate yourself. You should be tough enough to face this tough competition.
I would recommend Balaji Society for anybody who is looking for intensive and challenging program in business.
SBS provides contemporary education to the students with classroom exercises and practical training.
Life over here is great. We get to meet a lot of people from the corporate world, such as CEOs, VPs, HR heads from reputed companies. We also get to celebrate all festivals over here. Great enjoyment in each of them. Life is really good. Why I joined Balaji was mainly because of its great discipline and great campus placements which I have heard about. And after 2 years, I'm really looking forward to take away a very good corporate culture with me and also a very good job offer.
As parents, we are really happy that our daughter got admission to Balaji institutions. They particularly take care of all-round development of children, which is very essential these days for the professional development over and above the academics.
That is what defines my experience in Sri Balaji Society.
I am really happy and satisfied to be in this institute.
Undoubtedly the best decision which I made.
The legacy continues. The road to dreams where faith and trust, nurtured with discipline, dedication and determination never ends. Talented students, passionate parents, visionary teachers and corporate stalwarts are the vital forces of Sri Balaji Society. Now, we are not just B schools, but finishing schools too. That is why we always say, we build corporate careers. Yes, we build the future.